JUI Pakistan.
Is it the same as JUIF? Or the two?
FP, yes.
Is the same party?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Official name is JUI Pakistan.
And 21 and 22 are from Pakistan People's Party parliamentarians.
Are these the only affectees or are there more?
Your Ladyship, there are more, but these are the only ones who are made respondents. It was...
And the others have not they don't want to join the proceedings?
Your Ladyship, I have no idea. The appellants have chosen not to join them. And
But they had the option to join.
Yes.
ठीक है. Number 20, nobody represents number 20?
I don't, Your Ladyship. My Lord.
I'll have to push you along.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
17
Sorry, it's a painful
No,
duty I have to do.
My Lord, I'll try to be brisk. The brief facts, Your Lordship already have them, but the election program was issued by the ECP under Section 57 of the Elections Act 2017 on 15th of December 2023. On 22nd December, it was modified, and the elections to the general seats, the last date, and this date is important, for filing of nomination papers was extended to 24th December from 22nd December. And likewise, the last date for filing lists of candidates for reserved seat for women and non-Muslims was extended to 24th December. The appellant was allocated the election symbol horse. The Election Commission will make it clearer, but insofar as I am aware, no member filed their nomination papers as candidates of SIC. And again, SIC did not submit a political party's list of candidates for reserved seats.
You were saying that your instructions are, because there are two appellants. One is the gentleman on whose behalf Mr. Faisal Siddiqui has just made a statement.
Yes, sir.
You are saying that he did not file a nomination paper showing his affiliation as SIC?
My Lord, I have heard something different this morning.
Your instruction?
No, I have heard something different, that he did file from SIC, but what I gathered from the results notified was that he was notified as a result, as a candidate, independent candidate with the election symbol tower, whereas SIC was issued the election symbol horse. So he returned on the election symbol
Why
of
was
tower.
he denied if he filed the form declaring that he is a candidate for SIC? Why was he denied the election symbol horse?
Sir, in those days he was not allowed to submit the letter showing his affiliation with SIC, and then he was forcefully given the symbol.
When he filed
other
the
than
nomination form, he is the candidate who is filing a form on behalf of a political party is supposed to file an affiliation of that political party or a certificate or whatever that thing is.
That is just before the election symbol is granted.
In the nomination,
nomination paper की बात
in the nomination papers, he is supposed to do that.
Ji, ji.
Did he do that or not?
Mr. Faisal Siddiqui, why are you not filing the document?
document
Sorry, this is not on.
Sir, आपने
You can't
election
just make
commission को
statements
पाया।
without, I mean, we won't even need to ask these questions if the document was before us. I mean, बहस कर रहे हैं हम लोग facts
Sir, your
पे.
lordship had asked the
It's
election.
not our job to ask, it's your job to tell us.
कमीशन को नहीं कहते तो मैं फाइल
आप फाइल ही नहीं कर रहे हैं कोई चीज, हम आपसे सवाल ही नहीं पूछते, डॉक्यूमेंट पढ़ लेते, खत्म हो जाती बात.
मेरे ख्याल में
इलेक्शन कमीशन से पूछ लेंगे, लेकिन you came forward to tell us. That's why.
I can
नहीं Faisal
It's just the
Siddiqui
document.
चले आगे बढ़ते हैं.
yesterday we had asked the election commission to file these
The election
documents.
commission will provide.
Let them file
मैंने तो आपको स्टेट किया जो नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म में है And then he was not given.
हाँ कह रहे हैं कि उन्होंने सर्टिफिकेट नहीं फाइल किया अपनी पॉलिटिकल
नॉमिनेशन के साथ नहीं फाइल की।
एक सेकंड आपसे नहीं बात कर रहे
नॉमिनेशन के साथ नहीं
इलेक्शन
फाइल
कमीशन
किया।
बताए ना what is the form that was filed the form that this gentleman filed
Is it on record?
I just brought it because it was asked for yesterday and
what is
ठीक
that
है आप उसकी कॉपीज बनवा लें फाइल करें
in 5 minutes I
हाँ ठीक है चलें आगे बढ़ते हैं आ जाएगा डॉक्यूमेंट देयर इज नो नीड टू आर्ग्यू ऑन दिस पॉइंट इट्स अ फैक्चुअल थिंग आगे चलें प्लीज मेक कॉपीज एंड फाइल इट
My lord, I was proceeding only on the basis of facts as they were in the appeal. The general elections took place on 8th of February 2024. It is not anybody's case that any political party's list for reserved seats was filed by SIC at all before the general elections.